In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Lyft app. If you haven't already, download the Lyft app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and open the app after installation. If you're new to Lyft, tap Sign Up to create an account. You'll need to provide your phone number, email, and the payment method. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your credentials. The Lyft app will ask for permission to access your location. Tap Allow so the app can find your current location and provide accurate pickup options. The app will automatically detect your current location. If you need to adjust it, tap the Pickup Location box and manually enter the address or move the map pin to your desired pickup spot. Tap Where to box and enter your destination address or name of the place. You'll see different ride options with estimated price and arrival times. Select the type of ride you prefer based on the number of passengers. Request the ride and then you can track your driver. And when your driver arrives, verify the vehicle's license plate and driver's name before getting in and hop in the car, and your driver will take you to your destination. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.